Hey, what's happening, Steve Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Yes, sir. So in this video, we got that what? That weekly heat,
Weekly
baby.
heat. Yes, sir. That weekly heat.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So go on and
sir.
start us off, my brother. What we got?
Yeah, so on the 15th, we got those Jordan 3s, the Oreos that are coming out on November the 15th. These shoes were expected to come out in December at that premiere. Paid on it. This is a very clean shoe. Asking price for it is going for $200. So I see this shoe doing very well. With it being a women's shoe, I wish Jordan Brand would have, thought about us, the fellas, the guys, the men, and dropped a few pair for us because for my size, which is a men's size 12, they wouldn't have my size. They not carrying my size, right? So me saying all that, hey, I'm giving them a thumbs up. I will be rocking those. I see the females really doing well with those. Hey, drop us a comment down below, if you rocking those or dropping those. But this sneakerhead bro right here is rocking those. What about you, my brother?
Yes, sir. So I'm rocking these as well. These get a thumbs up from me. I do like Jordan 3s. Jordan 3 is one of my favorite silhouettes, if you don't know, the number one silhouette in my book. But these kind of remind me of the Jordan 3s that dropped 2022. The Jordan 3, calling them the Black Cement Gold. Those are performing on the retail right now. Unfortunately, I am on the fence about, I did plan to cop these, but, I have to make a decision now because the Jordan 4 crafts are coming out this week as well. So, I'm not no big baller. I can't be buying all the shoes. So I think I might have to pass on these. Unfortunately, hopefully they'll go on the retail and I can pick those up at a later date. Right now, save my money for those craft 4s. So moving on November 17th, we got the Jordan 5. Hey, I'm a Manier. This is a collaboration. This is also a women's pair of shoes. So women's, this is a good week for y'all. Y'all getting all the fire heat. Does come in mainly white color. They call this blue a diffused blue. Does have the 23 stitched on the side. I guess Jordan Brand gave them permission to use that 23 that we don't often see because this is a collaboration. It does have an A on one of the tongues, and on the other tongue, it does have that regular jump man as we're all accustomed to. As you know, there is another color coming out as well, the black and burgundy pair. Some people feel like this white and blue pair will be more limited. Again, this is only coming out on the A Ma Maniére website. The raffle is open and will be released again on November 17th. This does come at a price point of women's for $225. It will also be releasing in preschool and toddler sizes. So go ahead and get your entries in for that. I am rocking these. I do like the fives, and I think this is a clean colorway. How about you, my brother?
Hey, one thing with Jordan Brand, I mean, let's put some thought behind that. I know you guys are following our channel. You just not giving us that thumbs up. But put some thought behind what we're doing. White pair during the winter. Come on, man. Let's put some thought behind what we're doing. So saying all that, my brother, hey, just get a big thumbs down. Right.
Yes,
I
sir.
will I will be dropping those, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Hey, drop us a comment down below, if you rocking those or dropping those.
So moving on, what we got next, my brother?
November the 18th. Hey, check out that video right there because I did have them and pick up as a GM. I was calling those the candy canes,
Yes,
right?
sir.
But come to find out, these Air Jordan 2s, right, which is a men's pair, asking price for those are going for 175. But that color scheme is a representation for the Italian flag, right? So, hey, drop us a comment down below, right? If you did know that, I didn't. I treat them like a candy cane with being Christmas approaching. But us being true sneakerheads, we looked into it, and it's a representation of the Italian flag. But those right there, don't have a pair of those twos. Love to have them. Love to have them in my collection. And saying all that, I am rocking those. I am rocking those. What about you, my brother?
As for me, I'm not really feeling the red, white, and green. I should probably rock those because it look like the Hispanic flag, right? For all the essays out there. But
Yeah.
this is a drop for me. Do have some twos in my collection, but again, it's limited colors. I'm not really a big fan of the twos, but I do like certain colorways or collaborations. Let us know in the comments, sneakheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So
Right.
moving on, we do have another shoe dropping on the same day. We don't know if one of these shoes may get pushed back, but on the same day, November the 18th, we do have those Jordan 4 SE Craft. This does come at a price point of $210. As you know, I already do have the gray pair of Crafts. Only I'm trying to cop these right here. It does feature that unique materials. It doesn't have the regular net on the side. Does supposed to be similar to the Travis Scott. I'm not getting them because they look like Travis Scott's because I'm not no hype beast, but I'm just trying to get them because I already have the gray. I'm trying to finish the set, and who knows if they're going to be dropping more colors in the future, but I am rocking these. This does come in the olive color with black hits with that white midsole. I do think, I can't say this is a clean colorway, but you know, it does, like my brother said, it's the appropriate for the fall and the winter. So I'm rocking these. How about you, my brother?
Hey, you know what? Hey, Jordan Brand, if y'all was on the page that my brother and I are on, y'all would have had them come out on Veterans Day.
Oh,
Right?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Good
sir.
call, my
Right?
brother.
Right. Those look more like a fatigue, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. I am a 4 fan. First pair of J's were 4. So I'm loving those and saying all that. Hey, and salute to all those out there. Much love. Hey, this sneakerhead bro is rocking those. Rocking those. Right? Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.
peace.